Hi and welcome back to Rainey Dewey's Art Spot. If you haven't visited my channel before, my name is Lorraine and you can call me Rainey. My YouTube channel is called Rainey Dewey's Art Spot because I think it's a stretch to call where I paint a studio. And that's the segue and subject of today's video. I thought that I would give you a little tour of my art spot. Truly, I don't call it a studio because it's technically a room off the kitchen. It's perfectly positioned near the coffee pot and near the door, so I can let the dog in and out at least 20 times during the day. My new dog, Tucker, hold on a second. Let me show you Tucker. Hey, Tucker. Oops, hold on. So, Tucker, hold on. Hold on a second. Okay, there he is. He's got a little spot in my art room, my art spot, and he brings his toys in from time to time. And when he wants to go outside, he rings the bell that I've hung on the door. So in and out he comes throughout the day. Anyhow, so this video is just a tour of my workspace. And I'll give you a little commentary as it goes. It's nothing fancy. It's chocked full of potential, meaning supplies that need to be turned into artwork. And so it's really a great and peaceful place. I don't know if you have a spot that you call your own, or if you have a corner in a room, or if you paint on the kitchen table, or whatever it is, but whatever art spot that you have that you paint, great things I'm sure can happen there if they haven't already. So just sit back and let me give you a quick tour of my art spot. It's small. This one should be quick. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my art spot. It's tucked on the back of the house, and as you come in, there's a small closet and then that cupboard for storage. And then I have filled every inch of it, floor to ceiling, on the walls. You see all my artwork. And there's my little companion, Tucker. He's new to the premises. I got him just the day after I retired. And so he's great. He's just great company. So I've got two desks set up. That one is for watercolor and that one is for oils that are in process. I originally had taken down and only had one art desk, but if I'm doing oils, I need a place for them to sit and a place where I can do pencil and watercolor work. You see a shelf full of books and junk stacked behind the door. So I'm giving you the backward view. There's Tucker's little bed in the corner. I've got my computer there. That's where I do my editing and uploading. And let me show you what's inside these cabinets. I think I waste a lot of time organizing and reorganizing, and I need to knock that off and just paint. So you'll see empty books, sketchbooks, filled sketchbooks from years past. Here's some artwork that needs to either be framed or whatever. There's more artwork on the floor that's pending being posted on the Etsy site. And then I've just got, you know, all kinds of art supplies and framing supplies. I farm out most of my framing to a local framer. Truly Yours Framing in Ballston Spa, or Country Outlet that's local. They're both owned by a great couple, Brenda and Kevin, and so they do the framing. So I don't do much of that myself, but I do keep some supplies on hand. And I've got watercolor pencils, I have acrylic paints. I mean, I have a ton of supplies, and now it's just like, this is when the rubber meets the road. I'm retired and I have extra time. So here we go. It's time to get a move on. There's the view out the backyard. The deer decimated my evergreens. And then here's some of the artwork that I have hanging on the walls in my studio. And it's a variety of watercolors and oils and pencil. Some of my favorites. And there's, I think each time the door gets closed, it makes all of those paintings on that wall go crazy. And so there's the door to the back. So there's a small fenced area for Tucker, and music and books, and thankfully a sleepy puppy. So I keep a bell on the door and he rings it when he wants to go out. He's really smart. And that is essentially it. It's a great space to work in, and I'm really enjoying having the time to devote to it. That and walking the dog. Painting and walking the dog, that's my life, and it couldn't be sweeter. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, and I'd love to hear where you guys paint. If you have anything special that you do to get you motivated, I'd love to hear that in the comments. So if you take a minute, leave a comment and I'll be sure to answer. Thank you again.
Don't give up on me, babe. Did you forget what you said? I'm the one that you want. Was it all in my head? Don't give up on me, babe. No, I fell in too deep. Hope that you see it's all or nothing for me. Stay by my side just tonight. My heart is on the line. Stay by my side just tonight. In the morning we can pick up the fight. Don't give up on me, babe. Remember the early days, you and me in the sun. Let the sweet times carry us. Don't give up on me, babe.